We've had a few comments from viewers asking me to build a bench, and I'm going to keep it fairly simple today. I'm going to show you how to build a Leopold bench. Begin by cutting a 2x8 on a 30-degree angle. We will be making 2 of these, which will act as the long legs of the bench. Next, measure 33 inches from end to end and cut again on 30 degrees. Now, measure 2 inches in and 6 inches down. Connect these with a line and cut the piece out. This will give you the notch for your back support to rest on. Make the exact same cut on your second piece. Next, cut your 2 shorter legs at 18 inches long and 30-degree angles on both ends. Grab a 2x10 for the seat and cut it at 45 inches long. For our back support, we used a 2x6 cut at 48 inches long. I used a router to round all of my edges, and then sanded them to 150 grit. Clamp one of your long legs and one of your short legs together so both rest flat on the ground. Then drill 3 holes and use galvanized carriage bolts with lock washers to hold them together. Do this for both sides before attaching your seat. Use 2.5-inch deck screws to attach your seat and backrest. I flipped the bench on its front side to make attaching the back easier. Stain and add an exterior coating if you plan on leaving your bench outside. Follow these simple steps and make a backyard bench of your own. Grab a seat and take a load off. Is that a good line? Grab a seat and take a load off?